Move on to the bottom half of the paper. Here's our cut. You can just tear that away, get rid of it if it's in your way. Just make sure we're smoothing out any bubbles. Go top to bottom, centre out. Push our blade in, pick up from where we left off. This blade is lovely and sharp, it's never going to tear the paper. So I go down as before, near the corner as I can. Repeat that along the top of the skirting, constantly pushing in to make sure we're cutting right at the top of the skirting there, not short. So go as far in as we can. That leaves a couple of millimetres into the corner. Pull it out, make our last cut with the scissors, and then our last cut with the scissors. Take off the paper, little tiny bit here that hasn't quite cut, just make a little snip. Put our paper away with our damp cloth. It's not our damp cloth, it's my damp cloth, but you'll have one, whether it's on your shoulder or not, I'm not sure. And then wipe off any excess on the wall. Just check the paper for any paste on the front. Give it a quick wipe over, check that your edge is sitting down. So now just here, I have an edge that's not stuck, and this is something I'll show you. So if you have an edge that's not stuck, lift it up immediately. Pull it up so you know it's there, you don't forget about it.